Yes, Iburu onye Igbo bụ a millionaire or a billionaire, this message is for you. Here you saying that this message is for you is that now you gotta be very, very careful about your own brother onye Igbo, not only Hausa, not only Yoruba, because who will betray you today or tomorrow? Kabuku onye Igbo. Onye Hausa one time he betray you. Onye Yoruba one time he betray you. Onye Hausa one time he sugi me. Onye Yoruba one time he sugi me. Yoruba don't get time for you. Hausa don't get your time. Now Igbo man go still betray Igbo man. And it happen. You talk him man one rogo. Ogo onye Igbo kwa ife ajụ nakwa biko ihe bitere gwara ndị Igbo. So ihe na-ekwu ya maka issue of this chief priest of 18. Ọ bụrụ na support na ife ego dị mma or whatever, mana ihe na-ekwu bụ abụrụ ife ọzọ bụ gọọmenti enwere time ibi nyere gị anya maka isi eri ego or not. Ọgwa somebody ga-eji gwa gọọmenti wee si ya nekwa na onye a si were onye a set ya example. However, if you show this chief priest of 18, Igbacha afa garage everywhere, okwu onye Igbo, na Igbo man go still put am for problems. So me. I know before now, so no Igbo love themselves. That word they come bochie on 1980, 1970 something government exist. Currently now, Igbo hate themselves. And the issue of Mazen Nadekano. Onye Hausa asụrụ imi no. Onye Yoruba asụrụ imi no. It's the same Ndi Igbo kwa. So even a millionaire, a billionaire, or doing business, almost everybody pipe low, everybody on your own, everybody remain calm. Because now, only they feel no your friend, get sinazu, get bribe, sinazu, derukagi, sinazu, roll jobo, in way issue. I got a kumaga chief priest. Ị gara afụkwa na mmadụ ga-enwe problem far problem settle onye ahụ ejero tochie nsogbu ha nwegoro before esetụlụ werekwe ọ bụrụ an avenue or opportunity ọ ga-eji arụka nwanne nwoke tomorrow smile for nwaanyị n'anya. That is why I say it today and I'm going to repeat it again. Igbo man can never become president of Nigeria. Quote me anywhere. If you like, do campaign from now till next year, from now till everlasting. Igbo man can never rule Nigeria. The leadership of Nigeria lie on the shoulder of Yoruba tribe and the Hausa tribe. Until Igbo people come together and unite together. If anybody did not unite together, I get on a I kaka boy. Igbo man no fit rule Nigeria. Even Senate president no fit come for Igbo. Mgbe go, you know go come again. Good Lord Jonathan said all by mistake, by chance. Because Guinea, Anya from one Anya. Igbo does not have any political party but their own. How will you survive? How will you progress? Mgbe Peter Obi na-abịa ka ọ bịa zụọ election. Ọzọ gide ndị Igbo sukwu imi si na onwe ha ebe o ji azụ eje. I repeat it again. Igbo man can never rule Nigeria. Mark it somewhere until you guys come together and unite together and become one. If not, Oga, if Yoruba man finish this tenor, he go carry and give Hausa man. If Hausa man finish this tenor, he go carry and give them back to Yoruba people. These are the people that are united. These are the people that, you know, they love themselves. If Yoruba are not united, Sunday Igbo would have been there. Not be the same ground Sunday Igbo commit, now they can't commit. But Sunday Igbo is out, now the Kanu is in. Gumi no go Hausa, Alhaji Gumi. What is walking about freely? Because Hausa people are united. Ndi Igbo are not united. Somebody will consider Igbo a mouthpiece or a messiah. Onye nneranya. Ndi Igbo suku yimi or to enga. If I am a plan about Atucha enga konya makes it seba war. Tomorrow same no Igbo they may here today. Can be query. Equitazere today. Over the go to 10 minutes. After that they when you see or Rupoge. That is the lifestyle of Onyi Igbo. That is why Igbo people in abroad are more united than Igbo people here in Nigeria. Ndi Igbo na Nigeria, banyu ukwu na ekworo. Etie iwu, federal government etie iwu, government does not know you, government does not know your number, government does not know anything about you. Ogwo onye Igbo you just dig out your past, dig out your phone number, dig out address, dig out anything. Nothing concernable, just to use it against you. If that be the case, everybody get nga. Emana half of Anambra State yejenga maka ifego, half of Imo State yejenga maka ifego, half of Abia, half of Enugu, half of Ndi Igbo niile gejenga. Do you think federal government have your time? Federal government does not have your time. Oh, when you wait, and when we are that, we can blow for you, and I business, maybe business I got off. Or will see up a new see for you now, see as a okay. No for ego. Man, I'm being a powerful na kwaja. Nobody look for you to arrest you. Nobody look for you to swear me because it's a powerful. When you are suffering, nobody will look for you. When you do a car and keke driver, when you suffer, nobody will find you. Because in this country, it's a taboo for someone to eat 3 square meal or tano. In a go to Jere London. I will guess we £4, £20, government and one time. Government and one time. Oh, with the Isiagu, near my abuse, near Isiagu. Even over to her. Oh my God, why never take go now? My new quagga. A man higher jenga. Oh my God, why never take go now? My new quagga. Now for Isiagu, Mondo Gada, they would take go a TV and a photo Isiagu, Ego Runi, a man higher Japanga. You in America, oh my God, stars and they entertainers. They would take go, jokers and a fago. Well, I am not supporting the can again, but the end they cook today happening for Sobuna. Ndi Igbo put the problem of themselves. Whatever federal government says today, only Igbo will carry out everything. One day, if we did not stop this character of us now, or gather and enjoy, and by realize ourselves, or to go too late.